Hey guys, welcome to your YouTube channel. On this channel, I will be sharing practical tips, real world examples, and industry best practice to help you grow in your career. So, whether you are starting up as a business analyst, scrum master, quality assurance, or project owner, or looking to level up, I will highly recommend you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and just see the other videos I have created. So, today we are here to talk about LinkedIn. How important is LinkedIn? So everyone, as we work in the professional career, we all have LinkedIn profiles. But sometimes the LinkedIn profiles, has not all the things needed. Take an example. If I receive a LinkedIn request from someone, and if I don't see a picture of that person, I will not, 50% is no, I will not going to accept that request. So let's go. I will share my screen and then we can start a discussion about uh, the things we should do on LinkedIn. So today, as I said, the discussion is how important is LinkedIn. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Okay. So these are the table of contents we're going to talk today. Introduction, why LinkedIn matters, key benefit of strong profile, elements of winning LinkedIn profile, the common mistakes we should avoid, tips to optimize your profile, how LinkedIn for your career growth, and real life examples, case study, and final takeaway. LinkedIn, as we all have heard about this one, is, if you don't know, is the world largest professional networking platform with 1 billion plus members. Networking within industry peers and professions. Networking is very, 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 very important for all of us. I personally got, in my last 15 years of my career, I got 5 jobs from LinkedIn, from my connections. LinkedIn is very good for job searching and applying directly to the opportunities. Recruitment, helping companies to find top talent. So when the companies are finding the top talent, you should have an impressive profile, isn't it? Personal branding, how you will brand, allowing professions like you and me to showcase expertise. It's like your digital business card. Employers, recruiters, and clients research you online before connecting. I personally, whenever I go for an interview, it's been a while since I went for an interview. But if someone asks me, who I will try to understand who is taking my interview, what company is it, and I will try to search them. I will not be hesitant in doing so. I will search the name of the person who will going to take my interview. Knowledge sharing through posts, articles, and professional groups. So why LinkedIn matters? Professional networking. So as we saw, it's a way to connect with your colleagues, industry leaders, recruiters, and potential clients worldwide, or potential recruiters. Build meaningful relations that can open doors to opportunity. Don't just send the LinkedIn request to everyone. See who you will be able to provide your knowledge to and who will be able to provide their expertise to you as well. How it will be beneficial both ways. Career opportunities, millions of job postings are shared daily on LinkedIn. Companies often prioritize LinkedIn for recruiting, making it a key platform for job seekers. I'm in United States, anytime an employer has to hire someone and they have to go through consultings, they have to pay them. So the companies want to or try to avoid them because everyone is available on LinkedIn. Why they should go? The only thing is they have to find the right people on LinkedIn. So that will be easier if we make our profile, with the keywords, with the exact knowledge, exact things they are looking for, with a profile picture, a professional pictures like that. It's a personal branding for you, for yourself. Your profile acts as a digital resume and portfolio. Sharing posts, articles, and achievement helps establish you as a thought leader. So if you are volunteering, if you are connected with someone, you're helping in your community, society, put it over there. What's the harm in not telling them? Business growth. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for lead generation, partnership, and showcasing services. Helps organization build trust and credibility. So if you have a LinkedIn profile, and if you have 500 plus connections, 1000 plus connections, that shows, that shows your branding, your growth, learning and industry insight. Access LinkedIn Learning. If you want, you can go for that one. I think you need to pay for the premium service for that one, but they have very skilled courses over there, which can improve your skills. Stay updated with industry news, trends, and expert opinions. Global reach with local impact. Connect with professionals over 200 countries, yet also useful for local networking within specific industries and region. Because when you are networking with other peoples, take an example, some recruiter or someone, you don't want to connect with them over Facebook because Facebook is more towards your personal things. But LinkedIn always, like if I go to a meeting or you to a business event, I always connect over the LinkedIn with the people I talk to. Key benefits of strong profile. Increase visibility and optimize profile helps recruiters, employers, and industry peers find you easily. Build credibility and trust. A professional profile with recommendations, endorsement, and achievement showcase your expertise. So if you're already started working in some companies and you have some years of experience, ask your colleagues to provide you endorsement, recommendations. That really helps. Uh, I have, as I said, in my last couple of years, I have got jobs through LinkedIn, and people literally said to me that they were impressed with, one of my VP left a recommendation for me or, endorsement that, Jay was great. He worked with us for last 3 years. I will take him again if I have a project for him. Attract career opportunities. Recruiters and hiring managers are most likely to approach you for a relevant role if you have a strong LinkedIn profile. Strengthen personal brand, highlight your unique skills, values, and career stories, setting you apart from others. Expand networking potential. More professionals are likely to connect when they see a polished, authenticated profile and definitely with a profile picture. Showcases skills and achievements, certifications, projects, accomplishment, increase your authority in your field. So it's like your branding. Put as much as you have done. Some of the times we feel no, that might not be important, but volunteer activities are important. That shows you that you are involved in your society. You are a person who just don't do 9 to 5 jobs. You are involved. So if that's why some people, like, many companies ask, what will you bring when you come to our company? So these are the things I will bring. My amazing nature. Like I am very easy to work with people. And those kind of things really helps boost business and collaboration for entrepreneurs, freelancers. A strong profile can bring clients, partnerships, and seeking opportunities. So if you have to, after a couple of years of your experience, you want to start up your business, it will still help you. Elements of winning LinkedIn profile. Professional profile photo, as I said, clear, high quality headshot with friendly yet professional look. Put your picture. I don't want the family picture. Your picture. Not yours and your son, yours and your daughter, your picture. And if possible, in a suit or like that. Professional picture. First impression matters, and that's your LinkedIn. Compiling headline, put it like, experienced business analyst with 20 years experience like that. Go beyond your job title. Showcase your expertise, key skills like business analyst, helping business improve processes and deliver values. Engaging summary. Tell your career story, highlight achievements, and showcase your passion. Keep it authentic and easy to read. Detailed experience section. List key roles, responsibilities, all the companies you have worked with. Use bullet points and strong action verbs. Skills and endorsement. Add relevant skills and reflect your strength. Encourage your colleagues to endorse you for your things you have worked on, your projects, your management skills, any skills they feel. Recommendations. Ask managers, peers, and clients to write recommendations. Build trust and adds authenticity. I have heard from a lot of the recruiters I have worked with. They said, if they see a profile with only no picture, only 10 connections, they know it's a fake profile, or the person is really not, you know, putting his effort and time into building that his LinkedIn profile. which feels like, if you're not serious to your profile, you might not be serious to your like your job or organization. Education and certifications. Put certifications. I'm a product owner certification. I'm a Scrum Master certification. I have done, any Azure DevOps certifications. Feature section. Showcase top post, projects, or media. Custom URL, shorten your personalize your LinkedIn URL for easy sharing. I put my LinkedIn profile URL on my resume. I always put it. It's on there. If someone wants to click on that one, my resume talks about, the job I have done. My LinkedIn profile talks about way more things. My job, my CV will not going to talk about my recommendation from my VP. I worked 2 years back. My colleagues' recommendations. Active engagement. Post regularly, comment on industry updates, and share insight to stay visible. I mentor a lot of people and they always ask me, what should I do? I say, create your LinkedIn profile today after our call ends. You have always heard about I always say it's a small tree. The more water you will put, the seed you will put, or nutrients you will put, it will grow. And once it grows, then it will give you the fruits. So this is use Facebook, Twitter, and others, but cut down that time and invest the time in LinkedIn. Common mistakes to avoid: no profile picture or unprofessional picture, a picture like that or with the cap, you know, a professional picture. Great if it's in suit, but still in a shirt, like with a tie, it's great, looks great. Profile without photos, get fewer views, avoid casual, blurry, or distracting pictures, generic or incomplete headline. You don't talk about, just writing software engineer or student, misses opportunity. Empty or weak about section. Tell about your strengths and personality. Incomplete work experience. You have not put all. When you apply for a job, the recruiter will check your CV with your LinkedIn profile. If they are not matching, ignoring recommendations and endorsement, not showing skills, adding few skills, poor networking practices, sending connection requests without a message. So take an example. If you have all your great LinkedIn profile and everything, and you just keep sending the request, provide a short message in that LinkedIn request as well. Hey, I saw your profile. Our industries matches, our interest matches, and I would be really thankful if you accept my LinkedIn request. The person will see, a personal touch as a note really helps. Poor networking practices, sending like connection without request, spamming people with irrelevant pitches, not being active, creating a profile but never engaging. You don't log in for next 1 month. People post, put up a like, put up your comment. What do you think about Jay posted about, LinkedIn matters? Put up your, yeah, it helps. I did my own LinkedIn profile and whatever Jay is saying is good. It's right. People should do it. Typos, unprofessional language, using LinkedIn like Facebook. Don't post your personal vacation picture on LinkedIn. I will say no. Tips to optimize your profile: use a professional photo, write a clear, value driven headline, create an engaging summary, highlight achievements in experience, add relevant skills and pin top of it, like your top three skills, get recommendations and endorsement, customize your LinkedIn URL. If it's too big, make it little shorter. Showcase work in the featured section. Stay active and engaged. Keep profile updated. Yeah, anytime you are working in any of the company, a person is leaving your company, going to a new company, connect with him. Be a LinkedIn connection with him. Maybe he goes to the new company and he brings you on over there. Who knows? LinkedIn for career growth. Recruiters filter candidates by keywords. 70% of the profiles hired had strong LinkedIn presence. Join groups, follow companies, expand visibility. Access job alerts, AI recruiter tools, and career insight. Just think about it. If I'm a recruiter of an organization, if I'm searching on the LinkedIn, how your profile will come up. Yeah. And even if it comes up, you applied, or maybe you applied for a LinkedIn job. and I'm a recruiter in that organization. I saw your profile and I already saw, oh, Jay applied for this one, and Jay knows someone in our company. Oh, let me reach out to him or her. Let's see if he, how connected he is with Jay. Maybe he met Jay in one of the career growth event or something, and I can ask him if he can provide a little bit of insight how he felt in the first. I know he might not know much, but maybe how was your conversation, how good you know at least the grounding work, real life examples, case study, like before. My profile was incomplete, generic, no recruiters call. Optimize profile with achievements, put up a profile picture, put up a good summary on the top, ask for recommendations, endorsement from your colleagues. After once your profile is optimized, multiple job offers. As I said, I keeps on talking about that one. Anyone I meet, I got 5 offers through LinkedIn in my last 15 years. Active posting and networking led to client inquiries. Proof LinkedIn works like a SEO for your career. It works if you put keywords, just in your career, what field you are in, what are the things which going on, yeah. Is people more recruiting for Amazon DevOps, or Amazon DevOps, or others, Rally, Agile? Put those keywords in your profile. The final takeaway will be your LinkedIn profile is your online reputations. Put time, effort. I won't say if you don't make up your good LinkedIn profile. If you don't have many connections, I'm not saying send 100 connections today. Just send 5 connections today with a personal note. And in next week, another put 5. Every week, if you put 5 connections to your profile, 52 weeks, you will have at least, 250 or connections this year. I personally, whenever I see any profile, I normally feel people should have at least 250, 500 plus connections. If you are if you already have worked for 5, 7 years, a strong profile equal to more career growth and opportunities, which we all like. Update at least one section today, photo, heading, summary. So just start up. So say personally thanks to everyone who is watching my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and go browse other videos on my channel as well. There's some very different topics. I have created the videos and they are very helpful. They are with real life examples of mine and others. Thank you so much.